Okay. So I was telling about the plant animals bifurcated on the basis of their eating habits. They are bifurcated into 3 categories. Rather, you will study in the higher classes. There are more categories also. That is like decomposers, scavengers, okay, parasites. These are other, but at your level, it is this much only. So herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are the plant-eating animals, like they eat leaves, twigs, fruits. Example can be a cow, deer. Carnivores, these are flesh-eating animals. For example, lion, tiger. Omnivores, which are both plant and flesh eaters. Example can be a bear, it can be dog.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what is omnivores.
I'll explain omnivore, but there is a rule for the class. If you want to speak anything, you need to raise your hand digitally. Okay, beta? From next time, you please take care of this. Omnivores are those animals which can eat both plants also as well as flesh also, or the meat also. Done? No? Okay. Okay, Medansh. Okay, Nisha. I'm deleting now. Okay, so there are 3 groups of animals called carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. They are categorized on the basis of their food they eat. First of all is carnivores. You can easily see these kinds of animals eat only meat, okay, which I explained you just now. Herbivores, these animals eat plants only. Omnivores, which eat both meat as well as the plants. Next comes animal habitat. Habitat is a place where animal lives. Okay. Habitat is what? It is a place where animal lives. Like the dog. Dogs live in a kennel. Their house name is kennel. Lion lives in a den. Okay. Snakes live in a burrow. Okay. So there are different kinds of animals which have different habitats. The first habitat which we are discussing is terrestrial animals or land animals. So these are the animals that live, grow and reproduce on land only. Land animals, as the name suggests, they are living on the lands only. Okay. For example, these are all the examples which live on land. Okay. There are other types of animals that live on land. They are animals that live underground. Underground means like in burrows. Okay. For example, rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrows. Mole, which is like just like your rats. They also live in more burrows. So these are known as fossorial animals. These are known as fossorial animals which live in burrows. Animals which live on trees are known as arboreal animals. For example, monkeys. Okay, they are arboreal animals. So these are the animals which live underground. Some animals are found to spend their entire life underground only. That is, they make burrows or live underground, not making burrows, but still living underground. That is earthworm. Like this is found under the soil only, always. Okay. Some animals spend some time below the ground and some time above the ground. For example, this prairie dog. Okay. This type of, these dogs, they spend some time very small, their height is small. They spend some time under the soil and some time above it. Other animals that live underground are, these are all the examples of the animals that live underground. Arboreal animals, I told you, the animals which live on trees. For example, your monkeys, cats, squirrels, chameleon, lizard, these all lives on trees. Water animals, as the name suggests, the animals that live in water or near water, they are water animals. They can live underground also, underwater also, or they can live at the top layer of water also. Yes, Nesha?
If cat lives on trees.
Who lives?
Cat.
Cat, yes, cat lives on trees only. Beta. Cat, owl, these all birds, they live on trees only. Okay. So water animals, like some snakes also live in water. There are ducks, there are geese. These all live in water. Examples of the animals that live underwater. So these are the animals, sea lobster. Okay, they all live underwater. They are underwater. And these were the animals which are living on water. Okay. Amphibians. Amphibians are the animals which live on both land as well as water. Okay, so we have now seen three types of animals based on their habitat. One is the animals which live on land. Next is the animals which live in water or on water. And third is amphibians which live on land as well as water. For example, toad, salamander. Okay, frogs. They live on land also and they live in water also. So these are the name of the houses of the animals. Okay. So these are the houses which you should know the names of these houses. Like hen, coop, cow, and these all are there. These are all names of the names of the houses which you just have to mug up. Okay. So quick. Beta, please raise your hand. If you in between say, ma'am, I don't understand who speaks. Place where animal lives. Yes, Amir?
Ma'am, can you tell them I want to write them?
Yes, I am writing only beta on the board. Examples you can learn from the content. Okay, beta? Because it's not possible to write all the examples here. So that you can learn from the content, all the examples. So land animals which live on land Again, in this, I can say there are two types. One is fossorial animals, which fossorial animals were which live underground. Example can be like your mole, earthworm. Next is arboreal animals. Which lives on trees. Example can be a cat, monkey, squirrel. Then the second category we have studied is water animals, which live on or underwater. Yes, on water. Example can be your duck, snakes, and or in water, underwater, rather we can say underwater. Okay, like shark, some other fishes are also there. Okay, like lobster. Octopus. Okay. Nisha done. Okay, Medhansh. Vian done. Pratyush. Amir. Done all of you? Third category which we were doing is amphibians, which I told you that lives on land and in water. Example can be frogs, toads, etc. Now you can make a table of animal and their home or the habitat name. Okay. I'm sharing the link in the chat box. Kindly please see the link, copy the link, save the link. I've shared the link in the chat box. This is the test link of animals. Everyone please see it. Stop writing. First take the link because you will not get the link then. Pratyush, mole is type of a rat only, mouse only, okay? Please copy the link for the test, and today is Thursday. Saturday is the next class. So by tomorrow evening, you need to submit the test. Okay? Tomorrow evening, you need to submit the test. Then only on Saturday, I will get the records, your scores. Everyone has to give the test. Now, shall I show you the homes of the animals? Bayan, note it down better fast. Yes, Medhansh.
Ma'am,
Speak.
का केज होता है या barn होता है?
Somewhere it is cage and somewhere it is that. So we write cage only because it is given in the content.
Okay, ma'am. क्या हुआ?
Like for rats, you can see somewhere you find hole, somewhere you can find burrow. Okay, so names are given. Yes, Nisha.
Deer lives in a grass. Deer is a wild animal, so deer lives in the grasslands.
Yes. Okay, Via. So hen, cow is barn. Okay, you can write oblique and write down. Like cow, it has written here, na? Where it is cow written? Yes, cattle shed. So oblique cattle shed, you can write down barn. Okay, any word can come, so you should not make a mistake. Okay, just cattle shed oblique barn. Anything can be there. Then you can see just here, anything which is left or anything new, you can just add on in the list. Don't repeat it, just only that things which is not in your table, you can just add on, because there are some things which are repeated. Yes, Amir?
Ma'am, where does rat live?
Rat lives in a hole or a burrow.
Okay.
Like here, I think some new are there, like honeybee is living in a beehive. Okay. Sheep pen, spider, sheep already given, spider web, pig sty. Okay. So these are all new, some fish water. Yes, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt. May I ask you?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Okay. That is, cats also live on trees and they are also pet animals.
Yeah, they are pet also and wild also. They
I
are
mean, they are also pet animals and also arboreal animals.
pet animals are also arboreal animals. No, beta, they are actually.
I just meant that cats are pet animals and also arboreal animals.
Listen, listen, listen. See, cats are arboreal animals. We are seeing the habitat. Habitat is where nature has provided them the house to live. Just keep that thing apart, that we are keeping dogs and cats at the pets. Leave it. Okay, that is thing apart. House is, habitat is the place where God or the nature has given them to live. Okay, habitat means that. Is that clear? There earlier, there some have that cows, they live at buffaloes, they feed them. Now it is not that. Okay. So main is, where is their habitat, where they live, where they stay, where is their home. Okay, clear? See, monkeys on trees. So you can say they are arboreal animals. Okay. Rabbit, burrow, duck, pond, or in water, you can say. Yes, Amir, you want to ask something? Your hand is raised.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can I submit it tomorrow because ma'am,
What do you have to submit?
ma'am, the homework.
Which homework?
Ma'am, which you give the test.
Test homework. Test is you have to give the test. Tomorrow you have to submit it. You don't have to submit me, beta. You have to submit it online also. When you click on the link of the test, a PDF will open. You have to download that PDF, write the answers. That is 4 options will be there with every question. You have to mark the correct option, and all the questions when you do, you submit your test. It will be go to Olympiad success only, not to me. They will only give me your score. Out of 20, how much you got?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is not that you have to give me. You don't have to give me.
Ma'am, can you explain me how it works, or shall I speak to them?
Ma'am, you speak to them, but right now only I explained you. When you click on the link which I have given
That
you.
I got it. That
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got.
That
I
only.
got it.
But before that, you have to actually ask for the password and all that, because you otherwise you can't enter their website.
And plus, ma'am, I have to do this chapter again. Like the last recording, I have to listen only, then we can submit.
Okay. That is you have to do. But like the next class is on Saturday. So by tomorrow evening, you have to give the test.
Okay. So next time it will be new chapter?
Yes, ma'am. No, test and discussion class. All the
Okay.
questions of the test will be discussed in the class.
Okay. And then next Thursday will be a new class, maybe.
Yes. Okay, then. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.